I know you clicked on this video because you are trying to verify your Claude AI account with your mobile number, but it is not working. And the same Claude AI which you are trying to verify and couldn't, that is the same AI which I am using right now. You can see here. This is the web browser and this is the Claude AI. And in this video I am going to be showing you how you can actually verify your phone number with Claude AI no matter where you are watching from. I tried to use different devices, different mobile phones to create it, different phone numbers and SIM cards to create this account just to get the verification code, but I could not actually get it. I used my wife's number. I used my own phone number. I used my own mobile phone. Everything was just declining. Alright, so I decided to try this particular method. As you can see over here, this method is working perfectly. As you can see, this is the web browser that I am using. The same account which I logged in, the same account which I am using on my mobile phone, as you can see on your screen. So in this very video I am going to be breaking it down and show you how you can actually start using Claude AI and get your account verified. Everything will be working perfectly for you. Before I show you these strategies that are working right now, I am going to simply explain why Claude AI requires phone verification and why they require you to verify your phone number before you can actually create your account. Number 1, they want full security of their platform. Alright, so they want their platform to be secured and not filled with spam accounts and also people that violate their terms. Each person is required to own one particular Claude AI account. And the reason why you cannot register is because of the Anthropic phone number verification supported countries. So if you have been trying to verify your account and it did not work, then this is the reason why it is happening to you. If you head over to this very page, you are going to see right here we have the Anthropic phone verification supported countries. If you read down, you are going to see Anthropic Claude AI phone verification is primarily supported in regions where the service is officially available, which includes North America, most of Europe, Australia, and parts of Asia as of 2025. So right from 2025 Anthropic phone number verification supported countries are just these. If your country is not listed here or your continent is not listed here, that is the reason why it is happening to you. It is not because of your network. It is not because of your internet connection. Like most YouTubers are going to be telling you to turn off your internet connection and all of that or to use VPN. You do not have to use VPN. Even if you use VPN, you are going to simply get your account fully disabled and blocked. So this is just the reason why it is happening to you because your country is not currently supported. But when Claude AI was launched, the moment it was launched, there was no phone number required. That was the reason why people who created the account then did not need to verify their phone number. Everything was just done with the email and all of that. But do not panic. I have another way that is supported by Claude AI for you to actually get your account verified. So in this very video I am going to be showing you 4 simple ways, all legit methods, to actually get your account fully working and allow you to access Claude AI. So number 1 way of actually getting this done for you is to use a foreign phone number. So this is what you have to do and this is the best fix. You can actually contact somebody from a supported country. Maybe it could be your brother, could be your sister, that can actually create the account for you by someone in a supported country and fully verified for you. And that is one of the best ways to actually do it, and it is legal and compliant with Claude AI terms and conditions. And that is the number 1 option of verifying your account and using Claude AI. So how about if you do not have someone in the diaspora out there that can actually do this for you? So what do? The next option, which is option 2, is something that a lot of people do not think about, and it is completely free. What you do is you go directly to Anthropic's official website and look for their support page. Anthropic has an official support channel where users can submit a request explaining their situation. You go to support.anthropic.com and you submit a support ticket explaining that you are trying to create an account but your country is not currently supported for phone verification. You explain that you are a genuine user who wants to use Claude AI for legitimate purposes such as content creation, research, or professional work. Many users who have done this have received a response from Anthropic's support team with assistance or alternative verification options. This is the most overlooked solution that creators in unsupported countries are not taking advantage of. It costs nothing, it takes about 5 minutes to submit, and it goes directly through Anthropic's official channel, which means your account will be fully legitimate with no risk of being blocked or disabled. On screen now, this is what the support page looks like, and this is exactly where you go to submit your request. Fill in your details, explain your situation clearly and professionally, and submit. This is option 2, and it is 100% compliant with everything Anthropic requires. Now, if you do not want to wait for a support response and you want access to Claude right now today, this is where it gets really interesting because option 3 does not require phone verification at all. So platforms like Claude AI. If you head over to poe.com right here, you are going to see right here this particular platform has all the chat with the best AI privately or in group chat. You can actually explore GPT, Claude AI Opus OK 4.6, Gemini Pro, Nana Banana Pro, and other premium AI all on this same platform. And the best part is that this platform is 100% going to simply help you to access all of them. And all you need to do is simply go ahead and register your account with your Gmail account. Just click on this and you have to simply go ahead and sign in into your account. You do not need phone verification for this one to work for you. Go ahead and click on the continue button and your account will be logged in for you. Alright, you can see this is the interface of this application. Your full name right here. So I'm going to remove this and add my name right here. So once you add that, go ahead and click on the next button. And this will be added for you. Remember, your account has been created. This is the profile and all other stuff. Alright, so you have to make sure you add everything and click on the save button. Once you are in this section, the next thing you need to do is simply go ahead and check out all the parts of this particular website. You can see we have the Explore page. This Explore page has all the list of AI tools that you can actually work with. You can see we have Claude AI here. We have Claude Sonnet, which is the one we are using for free on the Claude application. So if you go back to my Claude AI right here, you can see I am using this. This is Claude Sonnet 4.6. But this particular tool which we are talking about right now has Claude AI Opus, which is the pro version of Claude AI. You can see the Opus right here. 4.6. Okay, which means if you come to this platform, you can see we can access Claude AI without sign up, without phone verification. So for you to confirm that this is Claude AI, we are going to simply do some test right now. Ask it some questions like, are you Claude AI, then hit send. Let us see the response. So it is going to simply tell us whether it is Claude or not. You can see, yes, I am Claude made by Anthropic. How may I help you? Alright, so this is Anthropic AI and this is Claude AI. And the best thing about this platform is that whatever thing you can get from the main website is also the same you are going to simply get on this very section. And all of these things right here are 100% free to access. The free version is going to simply help you a lot. And all you need to do right now is simply go ahead and get started with this very section with this particular application. So you can do anything you want to do. You can write your content. You can generate code. If you go back to the Explore section, you are going to see more AI tools to access. So there is another platform you can actually use to access Claude AI, and that platform is Perplexity. Alright, you can actually create your account, and this very platform is going to simply allow you to actually access Claude AI. Sign up on Perplexity, and once you sign up, you can choose the AI model you want, and that could be Claude, it could be Gemini, or it could be any other model. And that is going to simply help you a lot. Alright, so apart from these platforms which have Claude AI inside of them, there are other platforms you can actually use to actually get this done for you, to access Claude AI, which are the alternatives to Claude AI. So remember, whatever Claude AI can do, there are other AI tools that can actually do the same things. For instance, you can actually use ChatGPT. You can use Gemini to run whatever thing Claude AI can do. And also you can actually use Grok AI to run most of the things Claude AI can do. So if you have been trying to verify your phone number and it did not go, just stop trying. It will not work. You only have to use these sections while you start running your Claude AI, and that is going to simply help you a lot. Found this helpful? Hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. In my next video, I am going to be showing you how you can actually monetize and also use Claude AI to run your online business. If you want to see that video, just let me know in the comments section so I can actually drop it faster. See you in the next one.